Series compensation is a device that's typically installed at the end of a transmission line within an existing substation. If you want to look at the effects of series compensation on a power line, if you think of a water pipe which has a blockage or a restriction, effectively what series compensation does is it removes that restriction and allows the water to flow freely. The original needs for GridLink, there was three of them. It was to allow cheap and green energy in the southwest of the country to flow across to the eastern side, to the consumers, and also to establish a station in the southeast of the country because of rising demand and the prospect of interconnection coming in. Today, what we've seen is the fact that that interconnection has gone away, and the demand predictions for the country are now taking much longer to be realised, which has allowed us to go back and look at the original options that we actually had and to consider maximising the network using this new technology. So as a result, we're able to actually deploy this now as an alternative. Oh, we're very confident. We've been examining this technology now for some years in a generic sense, and we've done a lot of computer-based analysis and studies recently for this particular project. That, along with the initial cost and life cycle, plus an environmental appraisal, have been combined into a report that's gone to our independent expert panel, government appointed, and we've also had an independent peer review from London Power Associates of our recent draft grid development strategy that endorsed the use of this technology for this project on the transmission system. The existing interconnection, there is only one between Northern Ireland and Southern Ireland. Series compensation, if we were to use it on this on the existing circuit, would increase the ability to send power from Northern Ireland to Ireland. But the problem we actually have is the loss of that link and the need to be able to transfer that power somewhere else. Obviously, series compensation would actually make that situation worse. A good example would be to think of a tug-of-war team. And effectively got two opposing teams with only one rope. That's the existing interconnector. At the moment we have the problem if we cut the rope that obviously we lose stability and both teams collapse, i.e. both networks go black. If we have two ropes, which is what we're trying to achieve with the second interconnector, if we cut the first one we still have that stability maintained. We really want people to come back and tell us exactly what their issues and thoughts and feelings are so we can incorporate that in. We have a number of avenues. We have an email site directly for this project, gridlink@eirgrid.com, or you can contact us by phone, 1890 422 122. And as well as that, we also have Your Say, which is available on the EirGrid website. And there are a number of information centres around the countryside. All of that's available on the website, and I would really stress, please come back to us.